everyone, greeting from Johnson. Today we would like to introduce our camping machine for perfume bottles. Now here this one is pneumatic camping machine, work with air compressors. You need to get an air compressor and connect it on. This part here is for oil water separator for the to separate the waters from air compressor. This handle here is to adjust the height of the working plan, and this two button is to fix the position of the working plan. Now the head here is changeable. We have several sizes. If you have several sizes of bottle, then you can buy extra heads at our store. This bottle here is for 50 millimeters bottle opening size. If it now this one, when you selecting the camping hat, make sure the size is correct. It needs to be like this. When you put it on, it's flat, and if it's not, you can adjust the side here with the Allen key. So I already put the 50 millimeter heads onto the machine. Now see, I will show you how it works. It's very easy and fast. Like this, it works very fast. Like see, put it on. Very nicely. This one with water. And very tight. It's very tight. That's all. Thank you for watching.